Okay, because Merrick Bank wouldn't work with me, I closed the account. And this card, I guess you pronounce it Ollo. I don't know. This card has 0 interest for 9 months. So I'm going to see about a balance transfer. The 4% fee may be close to around $44. But when you consider how much interest is being charged, interest is about $29.36 a month. Which means only $10 and change of the $40 payment actually goes toward the balance. So I think it would save a decent amount to actually make that change. So we're going to transfer the balance $11.24.75 to the new card. $11.24.75. By copying and pasting, I can eliminate mistakes. Okay, now everything is right as far as I know. Merrick Bank ain't bad. I don't have a problem with Merrick Bank, but they just charge too much interest. Now I need to see what I can pay off with this. $476. And that gives me 9 months, I think it was, to pay that off. What would that be? $1169.74. So they don't put change on here. So I'll say 1170 divided by 9. So I'll need to pay $130 a month to get out of paying any interest whatsoever. If I max that puppy, see, 1600 divided by 9. Y'all are screaming at me. 177. So that'll be 177, 77, 77, 777. So $178 a month, roughly, which I think is doable. Hopefully it's doable. Okay, it looks like the transfer has went through, and now I have a zero balance. So I'm pretty much done with them. It's almost 3 years. Well, actually a little over 3 years. 6, 16, 17, 18, 19. So let me know what you think in the comments. Did I do the right thing? Of course, now paying off the new card at zero interest, I have 9 months to pay that completely off without paying any interest at all. Which out of the $40, almost 30 of it was interest. So you could probably like average that out to $29 a month for 3 years and come pretty close to how much interest is being paid. That's $1,044. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did I do the right thing? Switching this over to a zero interest card for a little, but still, the interest rate on the new card is a lot cheaper than what this interest rate would have been. It doesn't show me the interest rate. Okay, I pulled out the latest statement. Annual percentage rate 30.7% on purchases, variable rate, and 35.7% on cash advances, which is ridiculously high interest. So this card is gone for good. Thank you for watching. Leave comments, questions in the questions comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't like the video. Well, maybe that would be a thumbs down. Or both. And I will see you in the next video. So I did go back. I didn't film it earlier, so I decided to do it now. But I did go back the following month and make sure that there was no additional balance, as in additional interest added to it, and make sure that everything was paid off and it all zeroed out. It would really be bad to pay off a card and not double check it and wind up with a ding on your credit because they added $8 or whatever dollar interest to it the following month and you thought the card was paid off and canceled. So I did double check and make sure that it was. And I thought while I was editing that video, I thought I would go ahead and include this part in it.